well, I know you like it.
Akin maliit lang, Ton.
Ha?
Maliit lang.
Sino bumili ito? Sino bumili ito?
Di ko alam. Baka si Johnny.
Pwede sa'yo no, yan.
Sino kayo bumili niyan?
Nati, Maria.
Ano?
Maliliit lang. Ang lalaki naman. Oh. Magkasya kaya yan?
Ang bala?
Bahala daw.
Kasi ilan lang tayo eh. Oh, direct. Asan ba? Isabel, ha?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. You don't wanna bring? You don't wanna bring it home? You don't wanna bring some?
No, it's okay.
Sure? Okay.
Alat. Salvia, alat. Oh, okay.
Maria. No sweet? Oh, Johnny loves sweet. For Greg?
You're sleeping.
Greg?
Ah.
I'm not going to eat right now. I'm going to up. Hmm? Yeah, I'm not going to eat right now.
Big for you.
Big, no big.
Big for you.
Why?
No big.
Chocolate for... Oh, Greg, you got one,
I
right?
got mine, I got mine.
Thank you.
Enam. No, ah?
Ayaw niya. Binibigay ko nga to. Ayaw niya.
Ayaw mo. Ayaw mo? Jerry, meron pa. Ano ka na?
What's up, you think?
Hindi ko malaman sino mo.
Let's go.
Sino mo bumili nito?
Sweet, hindi ko nga alam. Tanong mo si Johnny. Bakit si Johnny?
Did you buy cake? No, ba?
Baka si Eddie.
I don't think so, Sabi. I don't believe. I don't believe. Kurikot ka.